Bitcoin has been making headlines, its price has been surging. This digital currency has captured the attention of investors worldwide. Its decentralized nature and limited supply have fueled its rise. More and more people are recognizing its potential. It operates independently of governments and central banks. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. As demand increases and supply remains capped, the price tends to rise. The US election is a major event. It can cause uncertainty in traditional markets. Investors worry about policy changes and their impact on the economy. This uncertainty can lead to market volatility. Stocks may fluctuate, but Bitcoin operates differently. It exists independently of any single government. Its decentralized nature makes it resilient to political events. Bitcoin will continue to function regardless of the election outcome. Its network operates 24/7, processing transactions without interruption. This resilience is one of Bitcoin's strengths. While traditional markets react to political events, Bitcoin remains less affected. This stability makes it attractive to investors seeking a safe haven. It provides a hedge against potential economic turmoil. Remember, Bitcoin is a global asset. Its value is not tied to the political climate of any one country. The long-term trajectory of Bitcoin remains driven by its fundamentals, not election results. Bitcoin doesn't have a political party. It doesn't endorse candidates. It operates on a decentralized network, governed by mathematical algorithms, not political agendas. This apolitical nature is one of its key characteristics. Some investors may wonder how political events could impact Bitcoin. While government regulations and policies can influence the broader cryptocurrency landscape, Bitcoin itself remains resilient. Its decentralized structure makes it difficult for any single entity to control or manipulate. Think of Bitcoin as a global phenomenon. It's used by people from all walks of life across the political spectrum. Its value proposition transcends political ideologies. Whether you're on the left, right, or somewhere in between, Bitcoin's core attributes remain the same: decentralized, secure, and scarce. This apolitical nature is particularly appealing in times of political polarization. In a world often divided by political differences, Bitcoin offers a neutral ground. It's a technology, a network, and a digital asset that functions independently of political persuasions. The pillars of Bitcoin's value. Bitcoin's value is not arbitrary. It's rooted in its underlying characteristics. Understanding these pillars is crucial for assessing its long-term potential. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a distributed network. No single entity controls it. This makes it resistant to censorship and single points of failure. Transactions are verified and recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Bitcoin's blockchain technology is highly secure. Transactions are protected by cryptography, making them virtually tamper-proof. This robustness gives confidence to users and investors alike. Scarcity. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million. This limited supply creates scarcity, a fundamental driver of value. As demand increases and supply remains constrained, upward pressure on price is exerted. Transparency. All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the public blockchain. This transparency fosters accountability and trust within the system. Anyone can audit the transaction history, ensuring its integrity. Bitcoin as a hedge against uncertainty. We live in uncertain times. Global events can impact traditional markets, inflation erodes purchasing power, people are looking for ways to protect their wealth. Bitcoin, with its unique characteristics, is emerging as a potential hedge against uncertainty. Its decentralized nature makes it resistant to government interference and central bank policies. While traditional currencies can be devalued through inflation, Bitcoin's limited supply acts as a safeguard. Furthermore, Bitcoin offers accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can access it. This global accessibility makes it an attractive option for individuals in countries experiencing economic instability. It's important to note that Bitcoin is still a relatively new asset class. Its price can be volatile in the short term. However, its long-term potential as a store of value and a hedge against uncertainty is being increasingly recognized. The road to $100,000 and beyond. Bitcoin has the potential to reach $100,000 and beyond. Increasing institutional adoption. Major institutions are investing in Bitcoin. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have added it to their balance sheets. Growing retail adoption. More individuals are buying and using Bitcoin. Payment processors and financial institutions are integrating it into their services. Innovations like the Lightning Network are making transactions faster and cheaper. Bitcoin, with its decentralized and scarce nature, is well positioned to benefit. Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto.